Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Today I am back with another video for you guys. This is Haitian pineapple jam. I'm making it the Haitian way, which is going to be very tasty and very easy to make. What I have here is I have ginger, I have vanilla extract. In extract I have cinnamon stick, I have 2 good juicy ripe pineapple, and I also have cherry that I am going to add to it. First thing that I'm going to do is wash my pineapple and cut them into small pieces and then let it boil. I am also going to add brown sugar. I add like 2 cups of brown sugar. If you want it to be real sweet, you can add 3 cups. First thing that I am going to do is cut my pineapple and cut it into small pieces. Let it boil down with going to add my sugar and let it boil for 30, let's say an hour. I'll let it boil to an hour, but I put my the volume of my stove down like medium heat. And then I put my sugar, I add my cinnamon stick, my almond extract, my vanilla extract, and let it boil down. And I also put my ginger, and then when it's almost, I let it boil. After it boils for an hour, I will put my cherry in it. I'll break my cherry into small pieces also, and then I will add it to it for another like 20 minutes until it simmer down, because you know the pineapple have a lot of juice in it, and then the cinnamon stick is going to give it so much flavor when it boiling it for that long, and then the ginger give it a little kick to it, and it is very good. You can eat it with your in the morning for breakfast. You can have it with bread, or you can put it in your cake. But if you're putting it in your cake, don't put too much sugar in it. I would add a little bit of how you call this? A little bit of cornstarch, just to make it a little thick, so you can put it in your cake. And then you can eat it like that if you like. It is very good. You can put it in, conserve it in a jar. You guys going to see at the end how I conserve my pineapple jam. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this little video. See you guys on another video. I promise that I'll be making more recipes for you guys and come up with more video for you guys. Love you all. Thank you for the support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all. Merci tout moun mwen yo ki vin gade ti video sa. Jodi an m'a fait confiti anana, mwen mette gingembre, mwen mette cannelle bouilli la dan, mwen ap coupe anana yo ti morceau. Mwen make sure que anana vraiment mi pour jus capable douce. Après ça mwen mette sucre rouge la dan. Ou capable mette 2, ou capable mette 3 gouttes, ça dépend si que ou vle confiture là vraiment douce ou bien sou pas vle trop douce. Ou capable faire confiture ça ou mettre dans bocal ou conserver li ou manger li avec pain, ou bien on doit mettre li dans mi-temps gâteau. So merci pour tout le monde qui vient regarder cette vidéo ça. So thank you guys. See you guys on another video. Please enjoy this little recipe that I made, which was very, very good and interesting and very